Welcome back to Rice.AI Code Room. Today we are tackling LeetCode 2751, Robot Collisions. The problem gives us an array of robots, each with a position, a health value, and a movement direction. All robots start moving simultaneously at the same speed. If two robots collide, the one with lower health is destroyed, and the survivor's health decreases by 1. If their healths are equal, both are destroyed. We need to determine the final healths of the surviving robots in the same order they were given. Since the robots are scattered, our first thought process is to sort them by their positions. This allows us to process collisions from left to right. As we sweep through the robots, we can use a stack to keep track of the robots moving to the right. When we encounter a robot moving to the left, it will inevitably collide with the right-moving robots currently on our stack. When a collision occurs, we compare the health of the current left-moving robot with the top right-moving robot on our stack. If the stack's robot has lower health, it is popped and destroyed, and our current robot loses 1 health. If they have equal health, both are destroyed. If the stack's robot has higher health, it loses 1 health, and our current robot is destroyed. We repeat this until the current robot is destroyed or the stack is empty. Let's dive into the implementation. First, we create an array of indices and sort them based on their initial positions. Then, we initialize a stack. We iterate through the sorted indices. If a robot is moving right, we simply push its index onto the stack, as it might collide with a left-moving robot later. If the current robot is moving left, we enter a while loop. We check collisions as long as the stack is not empty and our current robot's health is greater than 0. Inside the loop, we implement our collision logic, updating healths and popping from the stack as necessary. If our current robot survives all collisions, its updated health will remain in our array. Finally, let's analyze the complexity. The time complexity is O of n log n because we sort the robots by their positions. The collision processing itself takes O of n time since each robot is pushed and popped from the stack at most once. The space complexity is O of n for the stack and the indices array. Thank you for watching.